Hi, my name is Brendan Donahue, and I'm the staff mechanical engineer here at SOFWERX. Here in the foundry, we have a very capable machine shop. Along with our traditional manual mill and lathe, we have their CNC counterparts. We use the CNC machines when we are making complex components that require more precision than what a person could do with a manual machine. In order to use the CNC machines, we first export our part from our 3D modeling software, SOLIDWORKS, into Fusion 360. Fusion 360 allows us to define the size of the stock, the tool that will be used, and the cutting parameters. Using that information, Fusion 360 will generate a toolpath that can be exported as G-code and then loaded into one of our machines. Our CNC mill and lathe are capable of very intricate machining, meaning tolerances that are less than the diameter of a human hair. They're also powerful enough to remove large amounts of material very quickly if need be. Having the capability to CNC parts allows us to quickly make precision parts in-house and deliver the final product to the warfighter faster.